Hello everyone. Here we will learn about alphabet E. And this is capital E. And this is small e. E says a, eraser. We can use the eraser while drawing. Envelopes. We can send the messages through the envelope to our dear ones. And after the envelopes, yes, engine. Again, capital E, small e. E says eyes. Come on everyone, blink your eyes with it. We can see with our eyes. After the eyes, this is a pair of ears. We can hear the sound with our ears. Capital E, small e. E says elf. See, elf are dancing for you. They are very happy. Eggs. This is a healthy food. Eggplant. Oh, eggplant is very happy. Yes, who will come now? Yes, you are right. This is capital E. Are you saying a small e? Very nice. This is a small e. And now, what will be the sound? Yes. Eagle. Eagle is a bird. It can fly over the clouds. Elephant. Yes, this elephant is dancing for you. Which alphabet will come? Can you tell me? Yes, capital E. Wow, you are very smart. Small e. The sound is earth. This is our lovely earth. And this earth is saying thank you to you because you make the environment clean. And now the turn of our elbow. Elbow is our body part. Come on everyone, point your elbow. Okay, now here we have a small recap of alphabet E and all the objects related to alphabet E. So we will revise together. Yes, capital E, small e. E says Are you ready for the objects? Yes, and here they are. Wow, eraser. Huh? Yes, absolutely right. These are envelopes. Oh, are you going to your grandmother's home? Yes, this is cool. Engine. And now this is your turn to tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. This is eyes. And are you blinking your eyes with it? And after the eyes? Wow, a pair of ears. Oh, wow, these elves are dancing for you still. See, they are very happy. Eggs. Egg is a healthy food. Do you like to eat egg? Eggplant. It is of purple color. And this is the turn of eagle, a big bird. And in the last, elephant. Elephant is also dancing. This elephant wants to play with you. You want to dance with it? Come on everyone, dance with it. Elephant. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Thank you. Okay, so after the introduction part, we will do the coloring in our block of capital E. For the coloring, we will make border. Okay, so are you ready with your color and notebook? Yes. So here we will start our coloring with block of capital E. And first I will move my crayon near the border line slowly and smoothly. While drawing, my color should not go out from the block. That's why I am making the border. Are you making your border? We should make thick border for it. Yes. Come on everyone, make your border. Here I am making the border. Now I am making my sleeping line for the border. And now I will come down and make my standing line. Again I will go inside of my small sleeping line and I will make the border. Standing line. Again sleeping line. Now down. Standing line. Again sleeping line. Go left side. Yes, move your color left side. Okay. Now come down. Yes. Now move your color left side. Yes. Now go up and complete your border. Come on everyone. Move your color up and complete the border. Yes, I am going to complete my border. And now after the completing the border, I will start to filling the color in up and down motion. So I will use my formation up and down. You ma'am taught you na? Yes, so everyone will use up and down motion, okay? Up and down. Everyone say, come on, say with me. Up and down. up and down, up and down, up, 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 down, 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 down. Yes, up, up, down, 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 down. Are you leaving white portion? See, somewhere my white portion is visible, so I will do there also. Yes, so my work will see neatly. Okay, complete this standing line, and now we will fill the color in our first sleeping line. Okay, now here we will start our sleeping line. Again I will use my up and down motion, slowly, slowly. Up and down, 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 up, 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 down. Now I will check my first sleeping line. Yes, so many white portions are there, so I will complete it. Yes, and then I will move on the second line. First I will complete my first sleeping line. After the completion of it, then I will move my second line. Yes, now here I will use my left and right motion for it. Right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, left, left. Yes, my second sleeping line is also complete. Now I will see where is the white portion and then I will complete that. Yes, I completed it. Now I am going on the third line. Yes, again I will use my up and down motion. Up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, and down. Are you saying with me? Come on everyone, say with me. Up and down, 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 up and down. And in the last, again I will check my color. See, white portions are there. Is it visible? So I will complete it. Okay. You also complete your white portions in your notebook. Yes. Complete your white portion with up and down motion only. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. So our capital E is going to complete. Now after the capital E, I will move on, and here it is small e. Now we will do the coloring in small e. Again, first we will make the border for the coloring and then we will fill the color inside. So for the border, move your color up and right side. And now down, make the sleeping line. And then again make the curve. Slowly. And then standing line. Come down. Again make your curve for a small E. Yes. And after the completing our outside border, now I will make the border inner side. So for this, I will use my crayon inner side for making the sleeping line and then curve. Come on everyone, move your color. Yes. And after this, I will again use my left and right motion to fill the color in a small E. Okay, move your color left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Come on, do it fast. Left and right, 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 left and right. Make the curve left and right. Complete your curve left and right. Come on everyone, do it fast. Left and right, 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 left and right. Yes, my coloring is going to complete now. Come on, come on. Everyone complete it fast. And see, upper side my standing line is left. So here I will use my left and right motion and I will complete this line also. Yes. Again, start everyone. Left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Be careful. You should not go out from the block of small E. And we will not fill the color in that middle curve portion. Okay? Yes. After completing the color, we will check where is the white portion. So, everyone complete your white portion to use your left and right formation. Come on, come on. Yes, I am also doing. You also do. Come on, do it fast. Yes. Whose color is going to complete? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, my little champs. Do it fast. Yes. I'm going to complete. And be careful about the empty portion. We should not fill the color there. Yes. Yes. Now I will use my up and down motion to fill the color here. Come on, come on, come on. I have to be careful. I should not go out from the border. Yes. Come on. Again, I will use my up and down motion. Yes, 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 I am doing. You also do. This is our small E. I am moving my color in curve portion. Yes. Now I will move my color for the sleeping line. Yes, and now it's complete. Now, after the coloring, we will do one exercise in our workbook. Okay, so are you ready with your workbook? Okay, here we will start the coloring in our elephant. Elephant. And for the coloring, what should we do? We will make the border. And for the elephant, we will use our gray color. Yes. And I am moving my color for making the border. Be careful about it. Okay, children, do you know what we call the baby of elephant? We call the baby of elephant Jumbo. Its name is Jumbo. Okay, and here it is a long nose. Do you know what we call it? This is trunk. And big ears of elephant. Yes, this is the head of elephant. Again the ear of elephant. And be careful, we will not fill the color in the eyes of elephant. Yes. And can you see the small tail? Yes. Yes, the elephant has very small tail. So I am very careful about it. Slowly. Come back. And again make the border. Yes. Now for the inner portion, we will use up and down motion. Down, up and 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 down. Come on everyone, do it fast. Now your border is ready, so you can do fast. Up and down, 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 up and down. Yes, here I am doing it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Come on everyone. Yes, I am doing. This is my elephant. Yes. And the baby of elephant we will call Jumbo. And we will call long nose of an elephant Trunk. Now I am filling the color in the leg. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And now I am going on the face. I have to be careful. I should not fill the color in the eye. Yes, be careful, dears. Come on. Do it. I am also doing. You also can. Yes. Come on. Yay. And come down slowly between the eyes. Come on. Slowly. Yay! And again I will start filling the color in the ear. Yes, I fill the color. Yay! My coloring is complete. And now in the last I will check where is the white portion. So I will fill it. Yes. I will fill it. After the coloring, here we will do circle on colorful E. But for pink color E, we will use pink color for the circling. Yes? So take out your pink color and we will make the circle on pink color E. Yes. Where is the pink color E? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, I got it. Make the circle. Come on, everyone. Make the circle on pink color E. Yay! I am making the circle. And I have to be careful about the circle. Once is done. Now, where is the other one? Where is the other one? Pink color. Yay, pink color E. Now again I will make the circle. Yes, I am making the circle. You also can make. Come on, come on. And yes, I found a small pink color E. Yay. And I can see downside the last pink color E. Yes. And I am making the circle on it. Okay, it's done. Now I will take out my orange color. Orange color. Now I will make the circle. Yes. One orange color. Two orange color E. And these are capital E. 3 and 4. The last one. Okay. Now, after the coloring, here we have few objects. In that object, we have the spelling downside. So, in that spelling, we will find out our E and then we will make the circle on that E. So, the first object is envelope. Envelope. E says envelope. Yes, here I can see the first alphabet is E. So, I will make the circle on the first alphabet. E. Now, I can see one more E in this spelling. And I will make the circle on that. Yay. And in the last, again. Oh, wow, this envelope has 3 Wow. What is this? I think this is our elbow. Yes. And in this elbow, we have the first alphabet E. And in the last, did you remember what is this? Eggs. Make the circle on this first letter. This is E. Yay! And once I completed, did you complete it? Yes? Then we will move ahead. In this exercise, we have 3 objects. One is the dog. Boo boo. So, is the right tick will come for it? Is it from E says dog? No. So, we will not touch it. Okay, the second picture is elephant. Yes, we will make right tick for elephant. Come on, for right tick we will make slanting line and then we will make big slanting line. Okay, now our last picture is banana. Will the last picture will get right tick? Is it a banana or baba banana? Yes, it is baba banana. So we will not make the right tick on it. Okay. Now in the last we have few eggs in the nest. So now we will find out where is written eggs. Where it is and we will fill the color in that. Okay. Are you ready? Come on, start finding. Is it E? No, we will not fill the color in this. Is it E? Yes, we will fill the color in this. Come on, everyone. Fill the color in this. E says egg. Same way, we will find out E egg and then we will fill the color in that. Okay? Yes. Okay, the next one is that E says egg? Yes. Come on, start filling the color in that also. First you make the border and then fill the color inside. Okay. And complete your egg with the correct formation of coloring. Come on. Do it fast, everyone. Yes, I am doing. You also do. Yay. And now the next one. Oh yes, again it is. So we can change our color after this. Okay. So we will get colorful eggs in our nest. Come on, make the border and then fill the color. Up and down, 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 up and down. Yay! Complete this coloring. Okay, now find out where is the next one. Is it E says a? Huh? Yay, this is D. D says D. So we will not fill the color in it. Okay, the next one. Yes, this is capital E. Again, we will fill the color. But I am going to change the color. Yes, and here it is. For this, I will make the border. And then I will fill the color in this egg. E says egg. In this, again we will use left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, 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 left and right, 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 left and 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 right. Yes, this coloring is complete. Okay, the next one is this E? I can see. Yes, this is E. Okay, start filling the color in this. Make the border and then fill the color. And you have to be careful because we have very less place to fill the color in this. Yes? Yes. For this also we will use up and down, 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 up and down. Yes. And One more E is here. Come on, complete it. Make the border, then fill the color. And this is our last E. Again use up and down, 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 up and down. Yay! It is complete. So our alphabet E is complete.